Hello everyone. Hello guys. Get around. Ask questions as always. We're gonna start within a few minutes. Today we're gonna talk about general stuff. It's like watch list for the entire year. It's a stream. Usually I do this stream for only for premium members, but today I'm gonna talk about it for everyone. One sec. I'm gonna start. Okay, so when we're talking about one sec, I'm trying to find a good music. Okay, so we're gonna go through like all markets. We will check like top 8 shares. I also found really nice play for 2026. I will be posting my analysis on it on TradingView, so follow me there. It's Armenia. It's easy to find. Yeah, this is me. Here we go. So you can follow me here. I'll be happy to share my thoughts with you. But don't forget to like. Okay, so let's start. Let's go quick with analysis for next week. Nothing special. Tuesday, Wednesday already gonna be holidays, so like only like one trading day basically. Maybe two. It's a Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. That's it. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday holidays. Not much news. Prelim GDP on US, but most likely market gonna be slow. So we'll see. But like 2 trading days, nothing special. Now for analysis, this is what I like. Let's start like with we start with yearly analysis, how this year gonna close. So what I like here, a lot. I like here a lot this liquidity pool has been formed on 3 months, so most likely this year we're gonna see pump all the way till 125 on the euro, so it means the XI will crash to shit, and it's gonna be my final target. If we're jumping on the monthly time frame, it's pretty much the same. The only thing that make me worry is this 3 months fair value gap. So if we will see some sort of correction on euro. It's gonna be in the first 3 months period. I'm gonna mark it here. And if you from a premium, you know that I already inside of this trade. So this is my trades that I'm currently in. The idea is quite simple. We did the manipulation with external liquidity. This is buy side liquidity. Now we have to manipulate with sell side. And if we jump in the daily time frame, it's a pool of liquidity here. And as you probably saw, it's like 3 monthly fair value gap, like down below. So what can happen? Price most likely we're gonna dive. We will start consolidate. We will see long consolidation, probably for like 1 or maybe 2 up to like 3 months before final push all the way up. And the most important, what we should have here, and what we shouldn't miss, is gonna be like this pump. So potentially it can go like up to 10%. So if you will be able to catch this move all the way up, congratulations, you probably will be you probably will catch the best trade on Euro USD pair of the entire year. Okay, this is considered Euro USD. The plan is simple: correction and then pump, because we have liquidity, like we have liquidity on the top, on a global external range, and on a daily, weekly time frame, we're still in uptrend, right? Okay, let's go to British pound. British pound, let's start with 3 months. British pound has similar price action and has a similar similar targets. It's around like 10% or 8%. Let me see, 8%, 7.5%, and euro is more. Euro is stronger than British pound, and also if you check here, like from technical standpoint, if we're checking global time frame, we just did manipulation. So next target gonna be this, at least this equal highs as first target, right? Then jumping on the monthly time frame, yeah, pretty much that's it. Correction, can we have a correction here? Yes, we can, all the way down till this monthly order block. So what I expect, it's a strong correction at the beginning of 2026, and then move all the way up. Okay, order block. Yeah, this one. So if price will reach this level, most likely it's like around like 5%, and after it like 12% move for upwards, like why not? Okay, Audi. It's hard, guys. Hard to read. Audi, yeah, potentially price can go like all the way up, but the problem with Audi, Australian government doesn't like their currency is too strong and they can dump it. That's why like it's been dumping all the way from this high. So better to skip. This one, it's a New Zealand dollar. We still have room to fall, but I don't think it will happen. But first move down, most likely to happen, all the way down to this fair value gap, and then pump till this high, 0.61.3. Okay, now Regardless USD and GPY pairs. So for USD GPY pairs, according, okay, wait, back. Okay, according to if you've been watching and reading about USD GPY, especially the GPY, like why it was like so important. Since it goes carrying when like company, like hedge fund, etc., or like individual borrows from Japan, it borrows like money because loans are cheap. It was 0.5%. Right now it's 0.75, but it's extremely cheap. And what you're doing is just like borrowing yen, then you moving this money to USD and buying like some assets on this USD. And the difference between amount that you took, the loan that you took, and let's say you bought American like bonds, right? Like treasuries, because it gives you like 4 or 5%. So the difference is gonna be around like 2-3%, and this is the free money. You're basically making money out of thin air, and this is what been given liquidity to the system, to the entire like world economy. This is like cheap money, and now because they increased the rates, there's gonna be less and less amount of people and less amount of cash that going into the system. So it's a bearish decision. But why yen is like USD GPY is going up? Because it already was like priced in. It already was like priced in, and market was expecting for them to increase rates. So it just was expectation. That's why we pumped 1.4%. And I think it will keep going up. Until US dollar like index will reach its level, like this one, and or at least like this high, because we have equal highs here. We'll see how price will behave, but in my opinion, we will go like all the way up here, we'll fuck around, and then price will move. So okay. Okay. Now, gold. I did analysis in gold. What I expect for 2026 is just some sort of correction at the beginning of the year. So it's gonna be a rough first 3 months, most likely unexpected, like some drops, maybe some wars, and I think it will affect gold as well. So maybe pump, do deviation, and move downwards. I don't know. We'll see. Gold hard to predict, but if we will see deviation on top here, it's gonna be top of the range. So next target should be deviation on the bottom. This is what I expect like from gold. If price will break above and will go all the way up without like deviation, then it was just one big consolidation. Next target gonna be like 5K at least, right? If not, price will go down. So we'll see what market will offer us. US 100 most likely will keep going up, all-time high, but once again, new like first like quarter of 2026 will show us like real move. For the next couple of days, most likely gonna go up without like any pullback. Same with German 40, really nice trade by the way. If you like willing to open like some positions, it's gonna be like your choice. This for some like pullback here, and then move all the way up till previous monthly high. Most likely this is gonna happen. What I wanted to show you, I didn't want to talk about like BTC and crypto in general because they will follow American indexes, and what I want to show you is this one. This is gonna be this one. This is what I really like to see, and this is what I will be focusing for like investment purposes. This is only like my my understanding, my vision. This is only like what I about to do. It's a clear uptrend on a palladium, and we still have some liquidity left. So if you want to invest in something, you still have potentially 43% to go. So this one is probably one of the nicest investment ideas that I have. The only one, to be honest. If we're gonna check copper, it's just flying. Platinum, it's already gone, so it's already took all liquidity. So most likely money gonna switch to palladium, most likely. Pretty much that's it. Okay, let's go stocks. Zoom. If we're gonna zoom out and see price like this, Zoom looks like a nice idea for quick pump, but I don't know, it looks sketchy. To me, but they have good earnings, and price and this consolidation looks like crypto consolidation. Jim. VIX no. Uber no. TTD no. No. Snapchat no. PayPal no. Unless you want to risk, but I don't like churn. Volunteer no. Pinterest no. This one's kind of nice. Nestle no. Definitely no. No. Intel no. HD no. General Motors no. G no. You can try for quick on Ford, but it's only like 20% potential gain. 20%. So if we're talking about some investment, potentially 20% max. But they pay good dividends of like 50 cents per share with 13 bucks cost. Not bad. Not bad at all. eBay. Yeah, no. No, 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 no. Disney. Hell no. 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 Cat, no. It's all-time high on everything. Mamba. No. Oh, guys, I don't like everything. Jesus Christ. American Tower about to dive. Um, no. These Tesla it's all-time high. Now it should be some sort of correction on Tesla. Target Corporation. Let's see. Oh. Those. Revenue is fine. It's retail. So. Looks not bad, to be honest. Yeah, I have to look deeply in it. Roku, no, definitely no. Oracle, no. This one, it's great. This I've been in for a very long time. Nvidia obviously overpriced. Netflix overpriced. Microsoft overpriced, a bit lower. Meta the same. Google the same. It's like all these companies are extremely overpriced. Have to look at something like Procter & Gamble, but it can go like even lower here. Pepsi is nice. Nike. It looks like Nike is going lower. Light is already priced. Coca-Cola do need to go like a bit down. It's gonna be great company to buy. Oh, Johnson & Johnson. Yeah, so it's great for short. It's gonna be great for short here. Yeah, it's all-time high. Yeah, somewhere here. Or maybe even lower. Yeah, Samsung is like this, guys. Don't have anything else. Regardless oil. We did manipulation. And if price breaks down below here, below this level, then it will dive. And it can go till $45, $46. Keep in mind, global demand is like dropping. But this is what I really don't like to see. Because oil has to go up hard if supply gonna be low, supply gonna become low, which is not right now, or it has to be some kind of conflict. So it's like tricky. It's a tricky question. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. For next week, I have only German 40 and USD for you, but overall, nothing. If you wanna join this type of analysis every Sunday, get access to premium. You can also follow me on TradingView and Telegram. Links in my bio. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.